The river, once a lifeline for nearby villages, now struggles under the weight of all this waste. But it's not just the rivers. Deep in the forests, among the trees and wildlife, you'll find the same problem. Litter left behind by visitors or carried by the wind. It doesn't just spoil the view, it puts animals at risk and damages fragile ecosystems. Now you might wonder, why can't we just clean it all up? The truth is, tracking where all this waste goes is still a massive challenge. Imagine satellites pointing out litter like traffic cops in the sky. Now imagine robots cleaning it up. Riverbanks in India accumulate plastic and waste. Coastal waters choke with floating plastic debris. Dense forests hide discarded trash, harming wildlife. Monitoring these areas is difficult and sporadic. Response times are slow and inefficient, and cleanup is costly and resource-intensive. Solution: a futuristic but practical cleanup system. Sentinel-2 provides multispectral imagery. Worldview 3 gives ultra-high detail. Images stream to a ground station control center. Teams and software stitch a live 3D map. Polluted zones light up as cleaning targets. AI steps in next. Smart algorithms prioritize the worst hotspots. They calculate efficient drone flight paths and generate precise mission instructions. Autonomous AI drones receive the plan and take off. They fly over rivers collecting floating waste. Across coastlines and into forests, they reach remote littered areas, keeping teams safe. All actions are tracked in real time. Teams can verify cleanup and measure impact. This yields faster response to pollution events. Fewer hotspots are missed or overlooked, and cleaner habitats for people and wildlife. It reduces manual risk to workers, cuts costs through targeted, automated operations, and turns data into immediate action, quickly. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's scalable tech protecting our environment today. Ecosotronics spot problems from orbit and fix them on Earth. A modern ground station hums to life. Scientists analyze satellite images. A clear 3D map reveals polluted rivers, oceans, and forests. Instructions stream to AI drones. They launch and race toward polluted areas. Hovering low, the drones scan and detect waste. Robotic arms and smart tools collect debris. Onboard systems sort metals, paper, and other materials. Rivers, forests, and oceans return, fresh and pollution-free.